Hey everybody, it is your girl Allie, and today I've got an unboxing that we're going to see. And this is the Logitech C615 Portable HD Webcam. And I decided to get this particular webcam because I wanted to be able to record from my computer. So, this Logitech webcam right here, it actually can operate on a Windows or a Mac. It's very compatible with Skype, Google Hangouts, FaceTime for Mac. It has a full 360-degree rotation, flexible and adjustable. It rotates, folds, and goes, and its unique design lets you make video calls from anywhere. So, let's see what's in the box here. Also, it says right here that there is a autofocus HD video calls. It's 1080p, 30 FPS. So, again, this is by Logitech. And let's see. It's supposed to be a fluid, widescreen autofocus for video calls. HD light correction. You can enjoy razor sharp, high definition environment from everywhere. This is what it looks like sitting in the box before it comes out. So let's just take it out of the box here. Okay. All right. So, just to make sure we're showing you everything, this is what it looks like as it sits there inside of a little holder that they ship it in. But it comes out real easy, as you can see. So let's see here. It comes with this little plastic around the back of it. You can see right here. It's got a long cord, and it's got the USB port right here that you can plug in, and you can see that it rotates, very flexible, moves around real good, can adjust all the way around. 360, looks like it goes almost, 360 degrees, goes all the way around. Yeah, can go all the way around to the back. And you see down here, you got your little plastic protecting it. It actually attaches to your computer with this. Looks like it does, yeah. We'll take the tape off, slide this apart, and then you can see right here, opens up like that to attach to your computer. You can see, so closing it back, sits up just so. You can kind of see how it sits up. Like I said, it rotates really well. You can go all the way around if you move the cord all the way to the very back. You have it on your desktop and there's something you want to record on the other side, what you might be looking at, and you can just rotate it back. So this is actually the Logitech C615 portable Logitech C615 portable webcam. Let's see what else is in the box here. Also, you see there is a instructor. The instructions, kind of like the owner's manual, if you will. Important information about safety compliance. It says here that the portable webcam, as far as setting it up, and we'll go inside to my actual computer. See about that. This is what the instructions look like that they give you. So you can see they speak about, or they call out, the 360-degree turn that this one has. And And there's an English version, French version, and a Spanish version. It says, do not open or modify the product except for battery removal and replacement. That's talking about the guidelines for it, as far as from a battery standpoint. Basically, it just pretty much speaks to plugging it in. The first step, of course, is taking it out of the box and sitting it on to your desktop, or you can also use a tripod if you want to use one of those, and then you just plug it into your laptop. They say it's just as easy as that. And you can go to www.logitech.com/support/C615 if you have any additional questions about it. There you have the information. So again, this is an unboxing of the Logitech C615 portable webcam. So you guys will be seeing me, hopefully, using it. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You are watching Allie's View. You can see this is how it attaches right there. So again, this is the unboxing of the Logitech C615 portable webcam. If you're watching Allie's View, give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Would love to have you as a member of the Allie's View family. Okay, everybody, so I'm still outside, and you can see that this is going to the ground. And I have set up the Logitech C615. You can kind of see what it looks like back there. And a message popped up. I actually plugged it in right here, and a message came up saying that it has been set up successfully. So it really was just a matter of plugging it in. It was just that simple. So we'll see what happens. So again, I just plugged it in here. You remember when it was tied together. And just to kind of show you what it looks like from the back side, all I did was just sit this on here. You can kind of see how it looks set up. There you go. So we'll see what happens as we continue in this process. See what happens next. Okay, everybody, so I came inside because I wanted to go ahead and try to see whether or not I could record, and it looks like I am. If this is correct, looks like I am actually recording. I'm not sure whether you're going to be able to see the screen, but I wanted to give you guys a preview of what the recording quality of the new C615 Logitech webcam, what it's all about. So this is how it looks, and you might be interested in getting one if you haven't already. This is Allie, and you are watching Allie's View, and this is the quality of this webcam and how well it records. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. You are watching Allie's View.